You ever catch yourself doing something you swore you'd never do again? Same fight, same fear, same overthinking. It's like, why am I like this? The truth is, this isn't weakness. Psychology shows that it's a pattern. And the best part? Patterns can be changed. They're not random, they're usually built, and usually to protect us. And with awareness, they can be gently rebuilt and guided into better ones. Hi, it's Jasmine, and welcome back to our psychology series. So, what is a pattern? A psychological pattern is a learned survival response, often created in childhood, when we had to adapt to feel safe or loved. Maybe you learned that staying silent protected peace, or that achieving made you feel valued. These lessons often become patterns, and those patterns usually become habits, even now when the threat is gone. So, why do we repeat? Our brains crave the familiar, even when it hurts. According to Jeffrey Young, we unconsciously recreate past emotions because they feel predictable, even the painful ones. You might seek love from people who can't give it. You might sabotage calm because chaos feels like home. Recognizing the pattern. So here's some examples of how things can change. Stop asking, what's wrong with me? And start asking, why am I repeating this? That one question can turn shame into insight. Your patterns might sound like this. If I don't keep the peace, I'll lose them. If I fail, I'm nothing. If I show my real feelings, it'll be too much. You didn't choose these beliefs, but you can choose whether you keep them. Breaking down the patterns. Patterns lose power the moment we notice them. You don't need to fix it right away. You just need to name it. Try this. 1. Notice the feeling. I'm about to over-explain. 2. Name the pattern. This is me chasing validation. 3. Choose something small. You could pause, breathe, or simply just say, no. That's how a new neural pathway begins. Also known as neuroplasticity. So let me explain what neuroplasticity is. Using mayonnaise. Let's say you always hated mayo. Your family team anti-mayo. And then one day you eat this incredible sandwich and you love it. Only to check the ingredients and see mayonnaise. Your brain, it glitches. That old belief that mayo equals disgusting does not match your new experience. Wait, maybe I like mayo? So now mayo no longer equals disgusting, but mayo equals kind of nice? That's neuroplasticity. The more new evidence you give it, the stronger the new pathways become. And the old ones, they eventually fade. This is a really great example of how if we believe something to be true, or at least tell ourselves that something is true, that pathway is going to get stronger and stronger. But my favorite part about neuroplasticity, you can change it and you have the power to do so. And it is that simple. You're not your past, and you're not your patterns. You're just someone that learned how to cope. And now you get to learn how to choose. Start with one moment a day. Just one. When the urge to repeat kicks in, pause. Ask, what am I feeling? What do I actually need? Write it down. Not to judge, but just to see. Because your awareness makes that unconscious visible. And most of all, replace, not just remove. Instead of people pleasing constantly, try one gentle boundary. Instead of immediately running from a situation that makes you uncomfortable, just stay with that discomfort, even if it is just for 10 seconds. This isn't about becoming someone new. It's about remembering who you were before the pattern, and you get to choose what stays. To summarize, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be present. And every time you notice the pattern and choose something different, even just once, you're creating new pathways to create better patterns. Thank you so much for watching. All references and theories will be linked down below. Of course, if you have any questions, please ask them. I'll try my very best to answer them. And please do watch the previous video. This series all links together and every video is there to help build understanding and evidence of psychology in real life practice. So please do watch. But that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.